Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker in the Netherlands, and I'll show you a cool trick. Here is a Rolex clasp, and it just doesn't have that nice click, the securing of the clasp. Most people, as we see here, most clients, start bending these. Just don't. Leave them. The only thing you have to do is adjust the curve of this one or the top one. I'll show you here. It doesn't click this much and it goes over the clasp there. So if you make this one a bit longer, flatter, just by bending just a bit here, click, and or you can make the top one a bit shorter, that make it bend it a bit like this, and look at that, not too much force, and that's it. No tools, just a bit of bending, and just look if it has to be a bit shorter or a bit longer by just adjusting the curve. No tools needed. Well, nice trick or not. Hey, see ya. Bye bye.